Most AI logos look cheap, generic, and totally unusable. But today, I am going to show you how to create a professional logo, plus a full brand identity using AI step by step. Forget those random icons you see everywhere. We're talking about clean, high-end branding that clients will actually pay for. See, here's the thing most people miss. Clients don't just pay for a logo, they pay for brand clarity. They're paying for an identity that tells their story and connects with their customers. And today, I'll show you how AI can help you deliver that clarity faster than ever before. We'll go from a simple client brief to a logo concept, and finally to a complete brand kit that looks like it was made by a top-tier agency. Now, before we even think about touching an AI tool, we need to do some brand thinking. This is the crucial step that most people skip, and it's why their results fail. Brand first, logo second. Let's create an example brand to work with. Let's call it Neo Brew. The industry is futuristic coffee. For its personality, we want something bold, premium, and urban. And the target audience is creators aged 18 to 35. I'm just jotting this down in my notes app. The keywords I want to focus on are bold, minimal, and futuristic. This clarity is everything. It will guide every single decision we make from here on out. All right, with our brand foundation set, it's time for step 2, AI logo concepting. This is where we start prompting. I'm going to screen share so you can see my exact process. I'll type this in slowly so you can follow along. My prompt is, minimal futuristic logo for a premium coffee brand, geometric icon, clean typography, black and gold color palette, modern branding, vector style, flat design. Notice how specific that is? We're not just saying coffee logo, we're feeding the AI all those keywords we defined earlier. Now let's hit generate and see what it comes up with. Wow, okay, it's giving us a bunch of different options. Some are better than others, which is normal. I'm going to look through these and pick the best 2 that have the most potential. Let's say I like this one with the clean geometric shape and this other one with the bold lettering. But here's a super important tip. Never, ever use an AI-generated logo directly. It's a starting point, not the final product. This brings us to step 3, the logo cleanup. This is where a designer truly earns their money. The AI gives us a base, but we provide the value. I'm taking my chosen concept into Adobe Illustrator, but you could also use Figma or any other vector software. First, I'm going to clean up the vectors. You can see the lines aren't perfectly smooth, so I'll redraw some parts to make them crisp. Next, I'll work on the typography. The font spacing, or kerning, is a bit off. I'm going to manually adjust the space between each letter to create a perfect visual balance. I'll also check the overall symmetry and alignment to make sure everything is pixel perfect. Look at this before and after split screen. On the left is the raw AI output. On the right is our refined version. The difference is subtle but significant. It's what separates an amateur from a pro. Now for step 4, building the brand identity. A logo alone is weak. A full brand identity is what makes it powerful. The logo is just one piece of the puzzle. First, we need to finalize our color palette. We prompted for black and gold, but let's define the exact shades. I'll pull the primary black and gold from the logo and then add a secondary white or light cream and maybe a neutral gray as an accent. Next is typography. We need a primary headline font that matches our bold, futuristic vibe, and a secondary body font that's clean and easy to read. Finally, we create logo variations. You need versions for light backgrounds, dark backgrounds, a horizontal lockup, a vertical lockup, and just the icon itself. We'll arrange all of this onto a single brand board. This document becomes the brand's Bible. Step 5 is where we make it all feel real and, frankly, where we make the money. We're creating mockups. This is the step that increases client trust instantly because it shows them how the brand will look in the real world. A logo file is abstract, but a logo on a coffee cup is something they can understand. I'm going to create a few key mockups. First, let's put our logo on a coffee cup and some packaging. Looks great. Next, a website header to show how it works digitally. And finally, let's design a few sample Instagram posts to showcase its social media presence. Seeing the brand come to life like this is what sells the project, not the logo file alone. The transitions between these mockups really help the client visualize the final product and get excited about it. Finally, we've reached the last step in our process, the export and client delivery. You need to deliver your assets like a professional. even if you're just a beginner. A sloppy delivery can ruin a great project. So here's a checklist of what you should always include. First, the logo files in SVG format, which is a scalable vector, and PNG format with transparent backgrounds. You should provide these for all the logo variations we created. Next, the full brand board as a PDF. And most importantly, include a simple PDF with usage guidelines. This document explains how to use the logo, the colors, and the fonts correctly. It protects the brand's integrity and shows the client you've thought of everything. And that is the complete workflow for creating a professional brand identity using AI. If you want my AI logo and brand kit template that I used in this video, just comment logo down below, and I'll share it with you. This was day 4 of our AI design series. Make sure you're subscribed because tomorrow is day 5, and we're diving into AI poster and social media design. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.